Mr. President, nga na yung personal gibisita si Governor Ubahin dili mismo sa ang opisina karon.
Kay tanaw na ko nga dili mayo ang hitabo sa iya Governor Ubahin. O I want to show my support sa iya. Yo, tagaan o tapas na loob para lumaban against the oppressors. So sabi ko naman sa kanya, do not worry. You have earned for yourself the additional political tax. Hindi ka na matatalo niyan. Tulungan na ninyo siguro antod sa kanusla iyang gusto. Ang iya sa politikan ko, alam ko, para sa tao sa North Davao.
Sino tanaw ba, sir? Makatanong ba na ng pagsuspensyon sa iya?
Hindi, kasi alam mo, there has to be a hearing or at the very least a notice na para he can seek legal measures immediately towards it. Kaya importante yan, part of due process, the right to be heard or anything else is taken away from him. Yun ang kulang sila doon. Mabilis na eh. I'm sure that pagdating ng Supreme Court yan, iba always, no person shall be deprived of life, liberty, or property without due process. Nor shall any person be denied equal protection.
Your presence here tonight signifies your support.
I support. Siyempre. Occasion by the rally, but yung sa kanya, maybe because pumayag siya na magkaroon ng rally. And mind you, sa lahat ng mga munisipyo sa Pilipinas, hindi kami binigyan ng permit, clearance. So, lahat. We've been asking for it since the Cebu time of the rally in Cebu. Tacloban, kami binigyan. Of course, understandable. Pero ikot pa kami kung saan kami mabigyan. But I would just give you this warning, kayong mga local executive. Pag mag-apply ako ngayon, tapos you deny it, then I would answer back by saying, o sige, kailangan ninyo kami payagan. You better have a ready answer na itong buwan na ito. Because if you say that you are not allowed to have, I will not grant permit for you to have the rally. That would be a gross violation of the constitutional right of assembly assemble for immigrants to be. Bawal talaga yan. Tama ka yan. Malalim yan. At kung marunong yung mga abogado, it could lead to your dismissal.
Do you believe that this is just part of the political...
Yeah, wala hindi yung mabigyan dito.
That's why he is getting a suspension?
Oh, one. Then the other is yung enclosed structure. Not a public plaza. And this has been the consistent reply which we have been getting from the rest of the Takote, which I never practiced when I was mayor. Gusto mo lang gusto. Kayo mga mayor, you know, ito lang ang warning ko sa iyo. Kung matigok yan bukas Marcos, kung matapos na yan, tapos politiko pa kayo, then you start to begin thinking seriously about the consequences of unfairness and actions that are not accordant with the Constitution and the laws of the land.
Sir, given the case of Governor Ubahin, how do you address the people of Davao del Norte who are also confused?
You know, hindi naman natin madala sa madalian tungkol sa akin. So, there's always a law that will allow you due process. We will help him in getting a declaratory relief somewhere in the judicial system. The judicial system in the Philippines is working. So, what I'm proud to say, as a lawyer, is still the best arbiter.
Thank you, sir.